Decorative concrete borders. Pretty cool looking stuff, but what do you really know about it? Besides the fact that it looks amazing and increases property values, it will not deteriorate like the edges you get from the big box stores. How about the fact that you can actually create it yourself? Well, not with a couple of sand buckets and shovels, but with a complete Lil Bubba curbing system by the Concrete Edge Company. What else you probably don't know is this system is a tremendous profit generator for you and your family. We'll show you later how you can be paid $1,160 in less than a half a day's work. Oh, and by the way, financing is also available. And in one day, you can make enough money to make your monthly loan payment. So if you're looking to invest in a business venture to better your family's financial situation, or maybe you're done with the corporate day-to-day office job, boy, have we got the solution for you. In just a few minutes, we'll show you how Lil Bubba could be a game changer for you and your family.
You know, I was looking for something better to do with my life, a little more productive than sit in the office. I worked for a bunch of Fortune 500 companies. Just stopped by the Lil Bubba one day looking for something to do. I loved being outside, and from the first talk I had with the sales guy in October, bought the equipment in December, started kind of using the equipment in March the following year, and by June, July of that year, about 9 months later, after the initial discussion, I was already too busy, and I quit the original job as an engineer, and then so basically 9 months in, and I've already replaced my salary, and really liking the life as a business owner.
The Concrete Edge has a turnkey solution for just about any budget. I don't know what other business you can get into for such a small cash investment that has such a tremendous profit margin. Like any business, it's going to take time, energy, and hard work. However, you will be the one reaping the benefits, aside from your satisfied customers. Let's jump right in.